Hello students, in this module you will learn the different components of a Scratch window. Last time I gave you the overview of Scratch programming. Now let us learn the different components of Scratch. The first one is sprite. Sprites are the objects which help in making up the Scratch projects. It performs the action in the project. A Scratch project cannot be made without the help of a sprite at all. There are various instructions like move, rotate and play music which are given to a sprite by using the graphics block. So different programming you can apply on a sprite. Sprite is main character of the programming language on which you can give different instruction, and after following that instructions your sprite will perform. So sprite basically means the character of your animated movie. Stage. It is where the sprites perform, move and interact with each other. Just like the school stage, in this environment we also have a stage for creating animated cartoons and movie. You can also change the background of your stage. How to change the background of the stage we will learn later on. So you can see in the picture, this is the stage where a girl is running. So stage is basically used to perform some action by sprites. Third, toolbar. There are 4 tools which are important to perform an action on sprites, which are provided by the toolbar. You can see 4 main buttons on toolbar. These 4 toolbar's buttons are duplicate, delete, grow and shrink. To duplicate a sprite means if in your animated movie you want same character 2 times, you can duplicate your sprite or character. Click on duplicate option on the toolbar and apply it on the sprite which you want to duplicate. After applying this button, a duplicate of your sprite can be created. You can create duplicate of any sprite. Next we have delete. Look at the picture. You are using delete button for deleting your sprite. With the help of this delete button, you can delete your sprite. Just click on delete button, the scissor, and apply on sprite which you want to delete. Your sprite will be deleted. So this is the use of delete button. Next, grow and shrink. When you apply the grow option on a sprite, the size of your sprite will increase. And if you want to make your sprite smaller in size, you can click on shrink option. You can easily see that your sprite is growing or shrinking. This is because of the grow and shrink option. So sprite is growing, or you can also shrink it. Grow and shrink. Next, new sprite buttons. How to create new sprites. I have already told you in previous video that we can insert many type of characters in a animated movie. By default we are using cat as a sprite, but you can also take many characters like animal, transport, things etc. So how to insert or create new sprite, this portion you will learn in next video. So I am ending here. Thanks and have a nice day.